Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Esther Francis YouTube channel. Today we are going to prepare vegetable soup, fresh one, fresh spinach. I just got this for a lady shop, so I want to prepare it today. Fresh one, before I prepared vegetable soup, but it was a frozen one. But now I just come across to fresh one. I said, okay, let me try it also. So say the spinach. So this is the dry fish we are using today. Momo, crayfish, big crayfish, and meat. Different type of meat is there: cow leg, ishaki, and ishon. All the meat is there, so I just put them together. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please help your sister to grow. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, we are getting started. I'm putting Maggi. You guys know my Maggi already. If you have not watched my video, just look at it. Yeah, so I mix both together. I will take a little of this. It's crayfish Maggi. Then this shaking Maggi. Also take some. So I have a little salt, because those Maggi, they have already salt inside. So that we just add a little bit of salt now. Maybe if it's not enough, if I test it later, I can put more. So just a little bit, because the Maggi, there is salt inside. So guys, the meat is ready. Let's bring it out. So we are getting started now. Stay tuned and watch. Palm oil. Crayfish. Onions, pepper, so guys, I just fried the tin tomatoes with palm oil, so I'm adding it now. I'm going to leave it like 5 minutes before we add the mixed water. I can add a little bit. So guys, we are adding the mixed water. Let's pour the rest. Now we are adding crayfish. So we are going to give it a test. If the Maggi is okay, or we have to add more Maggi. So let me give it a test. So we have to also put a little bit mango, little bit. Just a little. Little bit. Add the meat. So we add mama. So guys, we are going to put the vegetable, which is spinach. So I use 4.5 packets. I show you guys the packet before. I use 4.5. So it's very much. Maybe after. So we go down. This is 4.5 packets of spinach. So guys, our spinach soup is ready. Thank you for joining me to make it. Thank you so much. Please guys, let me remind you guys once again, don't forget to subscribe. Please guys, press thumbs up for me. Help me to grow, please guys. Look at it. Here's our spinach soup. It's ready. It's ready. I will also teach you guys now how to turn, if you are the type that eats puree, how to turn it. So I will show you guys so that both of them will go together. It's very yummy. Thank you guys. Bye.